channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do DIY Harry Potter wands. Okay, I'm just trying ASMR. Okay guys, I just tried it and it's so funny. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Mokshitha and I do videos on DIYs and a lot. So do follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring bell. Okay, so I don't know what to say. Thank you guys for all this support. So let's go on to the video. Things that you'll need to make the Harry Potter wand is sticks. I'm using bamboo sticks. I didn't get chopsticks. If you have chopsticks, you can use them. And then I'm using these awesome metallic pins to highlight my wand. Yeah, and then you'll need some paint. I'm using black, but you can use brown or black. It's your choice. And then you'll need some water. And of course, the main item, glue gun. Okay, so let's do it. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that you'll need some thread for highlighting a wand. And I'm using embroidering thread. You can use whatever thread you want. So first you're gonna take the glue gun and then make a base, like a flat one, at the end of the stick, and then dip it in water and press it slowly. Don't take the stick out and press, it will be damn hot. Keep it in and press. I should switch off the AC and fan so that I can speak clearly. I mean, my audio would be better. It's freaking hot here. And that's how you do it. You can do a random handle. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then dip it in water, shape it, dip it in water, shape it. That's how you do it. So now it's time to wind the thread around the wand. I'm putting some glue so that the thread sticks firmly. And then swirl, 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 swirl. Rotate it around the wand. So now I'm gonna cut the excess thread, and then the tip of the stick, then put some glue and make a ball, a round shape at the top. Our first one is almost done. So now I'm just gonna make it more, featured, defined. So I'm just putting some hot glue gun, giving it nice texture to make it look like the real ones. So yeah. Bam fam, our wand is done, but we need to paint it. I'm just gonna keep it aside till we make our other ones. So let it dry. I mean, it's already dried. I'm just gonna keep it aside. So let's move on to the second one. Here is another stick to make our second one. So now start with the base, the flat base, and then swirl around the handle. And again, now this one is gonna be a flat one, like a smooth one, not with texture and all that. It's gonna be a smooth one. So what I have to do is make the the handle nice and big, which will differentiate from the main part of the one with the handle. And now make everything smooth and clear. After doing the handle, I'm gonna just smooth out glue gun at what am I blabbering? I'm just gonna smooth out the glue till the top, and that's it. Our second one will be done. So our second one is done. We should paint it. I'm not gonna paint it. As I told before, I'm just gonna keep it aside. I'm gonna make my third one. Guys, if you want an ASMR craft video, please tell me in the comments. I would love to do one. Now we're gonna do the third one. The same stick and the same glue gun and the same base as I showed you guys how to do it at first. So I went on to the Amazon website and I saw a few Harry Potter wands references. That's how I got inspired to make my own wand instead of buying it. Like, it was pretty costly. Then I was like, okay, let me share it with my friends. I made these ones long back and my friends were asking me for a video. Like, this is the most, requested video on my channel. Actually, that's how I did it. It was, when I took the video, it was like 30 minutes long and I edited it to 14 minutes. Wow. My editing skills. This wand is like a grip and a ball, a grip and a ball, and the ball size decreases when it goes up. So yeah, I even saw this on Amazon. And that's the last part. Now our last and final one is done. I'm gonna dip it in water, shape it, and then it'll be done. I spilled water all over my place. That's it. Oh my god. That's it. So now I'm gonna paint all three. Remove the water. Yeah, now I'm gonna paint it. Just dipping my brush with some water and then some black paint and paint.
paint. Painting it.
So guys, I've painted my ones and they are dried. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the highlights. That's the main part. I'm taking my silver metallic pen and I'm just brushing it through my wand, and then I use my finger to smudge it all over. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy, right? So guys, if you want me to do a Q&A video, ask me your questions through Instagram and I'll make a separate video to answer all the questions. I promise to answer all the questions. Yo guys, now we are at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Like, I'm really surprised that I got these many subscribers. I'm very happy. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and thank you all. I don't know what to say. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.